In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Outlook profile picture. We'll do this entirely in Outlook on the web, which is the browser version of Outlook. That's where your account photo is managed, so changes their flow to the rest of your Microsoft apps. Removing your picture is a quick way to reset your presence across Outlook and other Microsoft 365 experiences. It's especially useful if you previously uploaded an image you no longer want to show, or if you prefer the clean default initials. This change only affects the image. It won't impact your emails, files, or permissions. Start by opening Outlook on the web in your browser. Once your inbox loads, look to the very top right corner. You'll see your current profile picture, or, if you don't have one yet, a colored circle with your initials. Click that image to open your account menu. In the small panel that appears, choose My Profile to jump into your account profile page. If it opens in a new tab, that's normal. On the profile page, you'll land in the Your Info section. Here, your current photo appears prominently. Hover over it or tap it, then select Change Photo. A photo menu or dialog will open with options to adjust your picture. Within that menu, look for the Remove Photo option. Click Remove Photo to tell Outlook to clear your current image and switch back to the default avatar, tied to your account. Before you leave, make sure you save your changes. If you see a Save or Done button, click it to confirm. Some pages apply changes automatically, but it's always safest to explicitly save so nothing is lost. After saving, your profile image should revert to the default right away on this page. If it still shows the old photo in the corner of Outlook, give it a moment and refresh your browser tab. Syncing can take a little time across Outlook desktop, mobile, and other Microsoft 365 services, so don't worry if every app doesn't update instantly. Usually it resolves within a few minutes, especially once the browser updates cached images. If you don't see a Remove Photo option in the Change Photo menu, it may be because your organization or school manages profile photos centrally. In that case, the option can be hidden or disabled, and the system may only allow replacing the photo, not removing it. That's a policy choice rather than a problem with your account. You can always change your mind later and set a new photo from the same spot. And that's it. Thanks for watching.